how to express I feel like vomit, how so ugly, how so awkward. I feel it is really difficult to do or work on it, like so indeed. 乜咁核突㗎？咁好惡搞啫！哦，乜咁核突㗎？咁好惡撈啫！Vocabularies and an interjection to express the meaning vomit upon coming across or seeing a disgusting situation, scene, or message. 乜咁 as a phrase within the expression that means how so, how such, potentially with, many, much. The pronunciation 乜 is shared by at least more than 2 vocabularies in Cantonese. They are homophones. The most commonly known is the what thing, while the another one is many, much. Both of them are alphaization on the velar plosive ending consonant or coda k in original form ma. Hence, there are 2 interpretations for what it means there in the expression. So far, the author of the project wouldn't wanna presume it must be which one, and several is left open for further discussion and further evidences. Gum means so, such. Note that is a long vowel. This is a standalone vowel in genuine Cantonese and Kongtonese, and not a short vowel of or as false claim by the senior imperialists in China, who are trying to false claim and distort Cantonese pronunciation in order to fit into their song dictations in the instruction medium Yuet Chinese, which is not of the genuine Cantonese nor Kongtonese phonology. For their brainwashing and cleansing and manipulation on speech, expression, pronunciation, to suppress the freedom to express anything other than the Sinitic dictation. What that means homely, ugly, disgusting. Ga. The emphatic particle in Cantonese and Kongtonese, and that is the moderate stress and moody vowel blood, compared to ge, 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 go, go, go. Gum means like so, comparable to gum in caution. They both mean like, similar to copular verb ho. It means I feel subjectively it is really making a verb, a noun, into an adjective. It is also normally used for making a verb, a noun, into an adjective. For example, ho plus sai, use or span. Note is predominant, and this root meanings mean use to form ho sai, useful or ngok. Both of them are the same word. That means difficult, hard. Gao means to create, to do, to make. Lo as a verb, to work, to labor, to do, to make. Jack as a post-closure particle means indeed, actually, factually.